Hi, welcome to All-Star Ford in Denham Springs. My name is Mike. I'm here to show you the awesomeness of all our vehicles in our inventory. Right now we have every vehicle Ford offers, from a Fiesta to the Ford F-150 Limited. Today here I have the Ford GT Mustang Premium Package with Sports Performance Package Level 1. What's so special about this vehicle? Well, like all Ford vehicles, the mechanic and the engineering behind it, as well as the affordability. This Mustang here is a GT 5.0 rear-wheel drive. It has the performance package. Also has the 10-speed automatic, which makes this vehicle 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. You guys ready to hop in? Let's go. So see you guys later, and come do a burnout with me.